Hello students, now we are going to start exercise H of second chapter unit number 1. Question is, see, this exercise is based on word problem of quadratic equation. Okay, maximum આપણે try કરશું કે option ઉપરથી solve કરી નાખીએ. The sum of two numbers is 8. Okay, sum of two numbers, let us assume that x and y are two numbers. The sum of two numbers means x plus y is equals to 8, and the sum of their square is 34. Means what? Sum of square, sum means total, square means x square and y square is 34. Okay, these are two equations. Taking one number as x from an equation in x and hence find the numbers. The numbers are, okay, ચાલો તો આપણે પહેલા ચેક કરી લેવાનું કે ટોટલ 8 કેટલાનો આવે છે. 7 plus 10 is 17. Option A is not possible. Now we are trying option B. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 square 16. Again 4 square 16. It does not equal to 34. Okay, option B is also not possible. Now we are trying option C. X plus y 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. First equation satisfied. Now x square plus y square, 3 square 9 plus 5 square 25, and 25 plus 9 is equals to 34. So our answer is option C, 34. So option C is correct option. Now question number 2. The difference of two positive integers is 3. Difference means subtraction. Okay, two positive integers means here all positive numbers are given. Difference of two positive integers is 3. So we can write x minus y is equals to 3. This is our first equation. And the sum means total. Sum of their square is 89. Sum of their square means what? X square plus y square is equals to 89. Okay, taking the smaller integer as x from a quadratic equation and solve it to find the integers. The integers are, okay, ચલો આનો કોઈ મતલબ નથી, આપણે x કહીએ કે y કહીએ, but first we have to find difference is 3. ચલો option A difference 3 years, 5 minus 8 difference 3 years, 6 minus 3 difference 8 years, 2 minus 5 difference 8, means all four options satisfy first equation. The first equation check જ નથી કરવાનું. Now second equation we have to check the total of their square is 89 or not. Okay, see here 49, option A, 49 plus 16, it does not equals to 89. Okay, so option A is not possible. Option B, 5 is 25 plus 8 square is 64, and 64 plus 8, 5 plus 4, 9, and 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, 89. So option B satisfy our second equation. So correct answer is option B. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is given by 5 times of a positive whole number is 3 less than twice the square of the number is. Okay, listen, આ ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપણે જે વર્ડ્સ આપ્યા હોય એને ફોલો કરવાનું, બરાબર? મેં અગાઉ તમને કીધું હતું જે આપણને ક્વેશ્ચનમાં પૂછે એને આપણે ફોલો કરવાનું, એટલે વર્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમ કોઈ દિવસ ડિફિકલ્ટ ના લાગે, નહીંતર સૌથી વધુ પ્રોબ્લેમ વર્ડ પ્રોબ્લેમ્સમાં જ થાય છે. 5 times a positive whole number. Suppose x is a positive whole number. Positive whole number means C option is not possible. આ તો આવવાનું જ નથી, બરાબર છે? 5 times a positive whole number means 5x is 3 less than એટલે minus 3. Then twice the square of the number, twice એટલે 2 times the square of number is x square. Okay, so 5x is equals to 2x square minus 3. If we are moving 5x to other hand side and we will get an quadratic equation, but આટલી મગજમારી કરવી જ નથી, આપણે ઓપ્શન થ્રુ જઈએ. ઓપ્શન A, Okay, left hand side LHS 5x means 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Okay, now right hand side RHS, right hand side 2x square, 2 into 3 square plus, sorry, minus 3. So 3 square 9, 9, 9 2s are 18, and 18 minus 3 equals to, sorry, 18 minus 3 is equals to what? 15. Okay, so both LHS equals to RHS. So option A is correct option. Now question number 4. The area of a rectangular field is 2000 square meter and its perimeter is 180 meter. From a quadratic equation by taking the length of the field as x, એ તો આપણે x લેવો હોય તો લેવાનું, બરાબર, એવું કઈ જરૂરી નથી કીધું એટલે x લેવાનું, and solve it to find the length and breadth of the field. The length and breadth are, okay, first of all we have to form two equations of area and perimeter. See, area of, wait, area of a rectangular field is 2000 square meter, and second thing is given by its perimeter is 180 meter. Okay, so first of all we have to form two equations to find solution. What is formula of area of a rectangular? It is length into breadth, L into B, is given by 2000. Okay, and its perimeter, say perimeter equals to P. What is formula of perimeter? 2 multiplied by L plus B, and it is given by 180 meter. Okay, so these are our two equations. So first of all we are using our objective method here. Put down A, option A. Say L equal to 205 and M equal to, sorry, B equal to 80. So L into B is equals to 205 into 80. But આપણે સોલ્વ કરવાની જરૂર જ નથી, એમનામ 1600 એકવાર જોઈ લે. 205 multiplied by 80, તો આન્સર આવશે 16,400, બરાબર છે. It does not equals to 2000. So option A is not possible. Now we are trying option B. Option B is given by 50 and 40. So L into B is equals to 50 into 40. It is equals to 5 4s are 20 and twice of 0, it is 2000. So first equation is satisfied by option B. Okay, let us check the second equation. 2, અહીંયા મારે ભૂલથી P લખાઈ જશે, બરાબર, તમે B કરી નાખજો. L plus B. Okay, twice of L plus B equal to twice of 50 plus 40. Is it okay? 50 and 40 are length and breadth of a rectangular. So 2 multiplied by 90, it gives us 180. Okay, so both the options, sorry, both the equations are satisfied by B. So option B is correct option. Now question number 5. Two squares have sides P centimeter and P plus 5 centimeter. The sum of their squares is 625 square centimeter. The sides of the squares are, okay, ચાલો તો હું તમને ડ્રો કરીને જ બતાવું એટલે કોઈ ઇશ્યુ ન થાય. આપણે ચેક કરી લઈએ. See, we have two squares like this type of two squares. Okay. See, we have these two squares. Question is given that two squares have sides P centimeter, એટલે first ની side P centimeter. જો question સમજવો જ જરૂરી છે, બાકી બહુ easy છે. P centimeter and P plus 5 centimeter means આની બધી side શું હશે? P plus 5. It is P plus 5 here also p plus 5 and p plus 5. Okay, is it okay? Two squares have sides p centimeter and p plus 5 centimeter. Okay, બંનેની sides fix થઈ ગઈ તો yes. If the sum of their square is 625 square centimeter, the sides of square are. Okay, ચાલો તેનો sum કેટલો થાય છે તો કે 625. Okay, the sum of their squares means p square plus p plus 5 whole square is equals to p, and p plus 5 is equals to 625. ચાલો તો આમાં તો આપણને બંને સાઈડ જ આપેલી છે એટલે p plus 5 નો કોઈ મીનિંગ રહેતો નથી. આપણે જોવાનું બંનેના ટોટલ કરતા આપણને એનો સ્ક્વેર કરતા કેટલા મળવો જોઈએ 625. So we are checking option A. Option A is given by 10 and 30 centimeter. 10 and 30. ચાલો તો બંનેમાં ડિફરન્સ 5 છે નહીં. ઓપ્શન એ પોસિબલ જ નથી because difference between sides of both the square is 5 centimeter. Like આપણે ડિફરન્સ લઈએ, ડિફરન્સ is equals to p plus 5 minus p is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 centimeter નો ડિફરન્સ હોવો જોઈએ. 12 and 25 centimeter. ચાલો તો એ ડિફરન્સ b માં છે 12 minus 25 it is 13, so it is also not possible. Now we are trying C option. Option C, 15 and 20. Yes, difference is 5 centimeter. 15 and 20 difference is 5 centimeter. This condition is satisfied here. See, it is called hidden condition. આ ઘણી વખત તમને ખ્યાલ ન આવે તો શું થાય, આપણે બધા ઓપ્શન ચેક કરવા પડે, બટ આન્સર મળી જાય. બરાબર, આ ખ્યાલ હોય તો આપણે સીધો ઓપ્શન સી ટ્રાય કરીએ. Now sum of their square, 15 square is 225 and 220 square is 400. And what is total of both the numbers? 625. Okay, so option C is correct option. Now question number 6. Divide 50 in two parts. Divide 50 into parts such that the sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 12. The numbers are. Okay, divide 50 in two parts. Let us assume that two parts are respectively x and y, or you can also assume x and 50 minus x or x minus 50. Okay, je assume karu hoy, but we are going with x and y. Divide 50 in two parts means total of two parts x plus y is equals to 50. It is our first equation. Okay, and sum of their reciprocal. Sum, reciprocal means yes, y. Sum of their reciprocal means 1 upon x, and sum means plus 1 upon y is equals to 1 by 12. Okay, ચલો તો ઓપ્શન આપણે મેં તમને અગાઉ કીધું છે કે જે ઇઝી ઇક્વેશન હોય ફર્સ્ટ સોલ્વ કરવાનું. લેટ અસ ચેક બંનેનો નંબર ટોટલ જે છે એ 50 આવે છે. 24 plus 26 it is 50. 28 plus 22 it is also 50. 27 plus 23 again it is 50. Option D, 20 plus 30 also 50. So option equation 1 is satisfied by all options. એટલે આ તો આપણે ચેક કરવાનું જ નથી. Now we have to just check the reciprocal is equals to 1 by 12 or not. Okay, first we are checking option A. First number is 1 by 24 and second is 1 by 26. Reciprocal means 1 upon x, put down 24, and 1 upon y. Instead of y we have to put 26. 1 upon 26. Okay, ચાલો આને સોલ્વ કઈ રીતે કરવાનું, નો આવડે તો પોઈન્ટમાં ટ્રાન્સફર કરી નાખો તો પણ ચાલશે, but here we are using cross product method. 26 plus 24 is upon 24 into 26 into 26, 624. ચાલો તો અહીંયા આવશે 50 divided by 624 it does not equals to 1/12 બરાબર છે સીધો ખ્યાલ આવી જાય કે અહીંથી કટ કરીએ તો 1/12 થી કટ થવો જોઈએ ડિનોમિનેટર તો પોસિબલ નથી સો ઓપ્શન A is wrong option B 1/28 plus 1/26 equals to again 22 is given, sorry, 1/28 plus 1/22 1/28 plus 1/22 it is equals to 22 plus 28 divided by 28 into 22 so it is equals to 50 divided by chalo 28 multiplied by 22 it is equals to 616 જો તમને પછી સિમ્પલ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કહી દો આ તો આપણે આ મસ્ત સોલ્વ કરીએ છીએ 1/12 બધાનો ડિનોમિનેટર 50 તો છે જ તે ઓકે તો 50 મલ્ટીપ્લાઈડ બાય 12 કરો તો કેટલા થવા જોઈએ તો કે 50 into 12 is equals to 600 જો આ આન્સર આપણો આવે એ ઓપ્શન કરેક્ટ ગણાશે ઓકે અને તમે ડાયરેક્ટ પણ કરી શકો જો ઓપ્શન સી આ ખાલી સમજવા માટે મેં તમને બે ઓપ્શન કીધા 27 multiplied by 23 27 multiplied by 23 કારણ કે ઉપર તો પ્લસ 50 જ આવવાના છે બધામાં it is equals to 621 so option C is also not possible B not possible C not possible obviously હવે શું વધ્યું D આ તો સાચો જ હશે ચેક કરી લઈએ ઓપ્શન D ઓકે જો ઉપર તો 50 જ આવવાના છે ક્રોસ પ્રોડક્ટ કરીએ તો 20 into 3 20 into 30 sorry 3 2s are 6 it is 600 તો આપણે જે ઓપ્શન જોતો તે આવી ગયો 50/600 so option D is correct option. Now question number 7 there are two consecutive numbers such that the difference of the reciprocals is 1/240 the numbers are okay first of all we understand the what is called consecutive terms like if x is a number the next number is x plus 1 okay it is called consecutive numbers like 15 after 16 એટલે બે ક્રમમાં આવતા હોય જેને આપણે કહીએ છીએ ને in order 17 18 13 14 12 13 all are pair of consecutive terms okay second thing is given that the difference of the reciprocal means આપણે અત્યારે x and x plus y નથી લેતા but we are taking two numbers as x and y difference of the reciprocal means 1 upon x difference means minus 1 upon y is equals to 1/240 okay difference જો આનો આપણે LCM લઈએ ને જો અહીંયા તમને પહેલા સોલ્વ કરી દો આપણે આખો સમ નથી સોલ્વ કરવો એટલે તો શું થશે y minus x upon xy okay y minus x should be 1 and xy should be 240 આનો મતલબ એવો થાય કે ભાઈ તમે જો આ y minus x 1 આવે છે તો કે yes y minus x 1 yes y minus x 1 yes y minus x yes all four options satisfy our numerator okay સમજાણું તમને અહીંયા આપણે બધા માટે કેલ્ક્યુલેશન નથી કરવી હવે શું કરવાનું find two numbers such that its product is 240 તો એવા બે નંબર કે જેનો પ્રોડક્ટ 240 થતી હોય એ આપણો આન્સર આવશે ચાલો ઓપ્શન એ જોઈ લઈએ 15 into 16 is equals to 15 into 16 is equals to 240 option A is correct પણ બધા ચેક કરી લઈએ એટલે તમને કોઈ ઇશ્યુ ન થાય B 17 into 18 equals to 17 into 18 equals to 306 okay option B is wrong option C 13 into 14 equals to 13 into 14 equals to 182. It is also not equal to 240. 182. And option D is 12 and 13. It is also not possible. 12 and 13 equals to 156. Okay. So option A is correct option. બરાબર છે સમજાણું કે ભાઈ આપણે આખું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ન કરવી હોય તો તમારે જો એક્ઝામમાં આ બધું નથી કરવાનું એ બી સી ડી આન્સર આવી જાય એટલે સ્ટોપ બરાબર છે જોવાનું કે ભાઈ ડિફરન્સ ઓફ કોન્સિક્યુટિવ ટર્મ્સ મીન્સ બંનેનો ડિફરન્સ તો એક જ થવાનો છે 1 તો કે યસ પછી જોઈ લેવાનું પ્રોડક્ટ કેટલી થવી જોઈએ તો કે 240 બરાબર છે તો આપણો આન્સર શું આવશે ઓપ્શન એ. નાઉ ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 8. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 20 centimeter. The difference between its other two sides be 4 centimeter. The sides are okay. See what is called right angle triangle. First we draw a right angle triangle. Wait. Okay. This is our right angle triangle. Okay. This is our right angle triangle. What is given that hypotenuse of a right angle triangle means this diagonal part is called hypotenuse of right angle triangle. It is 20 centimeter. It is 20 centimeter. The difference between its other two sides is 4 centimeter. Difference between these two sides, remaining two sides is 4 centimeter means if we say it is equals to x, it is equals to x, then other side is called x minus 4. Is it okay? Difference between two sides is 4 centimeter. એક side ને આપણે x કહીએ તો બીજું શું થશે x minus 4. Okay, the sides are. Let us form an equation. What is the formula of Pythagoras theorem? Okay, by if we say it is equals to a b c, formula is ac square equals to ab square plus bc square. તમારે આવું બધું કઈ નાટક નથી કરવાનું, સીધો આન્સર મૂકવાનો, બટ આ તો આપણે જસ્ટ સમજવા માટે. Okay, so 20 ac square means 20 square is equals to ab square x square plus x minus 4 whole square. Okay, these are two sides and square of two sides is equals to 20 square. 20 square is equals to 400. So we can write x square plus x minus 4 whole square is equals to 400. Okay, this is our equation. First of all, check out. Okay, by difference between two sides are 4 centimeter or not. 11 minus 15, 4 centimeter, yes. 12 minus 16, 4. 20 minus 24, 4. Okay, so difference between two sides are 4 centimeter, sorry, is 4 centimeter is given in all the options A, B and C. Okay, તો આપણે શું કરવાનું છે કે ભાઈ square of both the sides should be equal to sum of square of both the sides should be equals to 400. તો આનો સ્ક્વેર કરતા આન્સર કેટલો આવવો જોઈએ 400. ચલો તો ઓપ્શન એ ચેક કરીએ. 11 square plus 15 square is equals to 112 plus 225. આનો ટોટલ પણ કરવાની જરૂર નથી કારણ કે 2 plus 4 7, we need 0 400. So option A is not possible. Option B. 12 square plus 16 square. 12 square is what? 114. 16 square 256. ચાલો આનો ટોટલ કરવો પડશે કારણ કે બંનેનો ટોટલ લાસ્ટ ડિજિટ શું આવશે 0. So 114 plus 256 is equals to 370. 370. So option B is also not possible. option A, B not possible. Now option C, 20 square plus 24 square. 1 મિનિટ, 12 square plus 16 square બરોબર એકવાર ટોટલ થાય છે કે નહીં, કારણ કે અહીંયા તો પોસિબલ જ નથી, because 20 square plus 24 square obviously greater than 400. તો અહીંયા ચેક કરી લઈએ. 12, હા અહીંયા 114 નહીં, 144 થાય. 12 square is, it was my mistake, 144. Okay, now total 144 plus 256 is equals to 400. Yes, option B is correct, 400. It is equals to 400. Option B is correct option. Now question number 9. The sum of two numbers is 45. Okay, let us assume that two numbers are respectively x and y. So x plus y is equals to 45. Okay, and the mean proportional, see this is most important point, mean proportional between them is 18. Okay, do you know what is mean proportional? We learn in chapter of proportion. See, if three numbers x, z, y, okay, are in proportion, then mean proportion is z square is equals to xy. So we can write z is equals to what? Under root of xy, and z is called mean proportional, and here z is given by 18. So we can write root xy is equals to 18. Okay, તો આ સહેજ proportion નું ચેપ્ટર પણ જોઈ લેવાનું આપણે, કદાચ ડાઉટ હોય તો. mean proportional between three numbers આપણે થિયરીમાં પણ આ સમજાવેલું છે. Okay, solve two equations. Total is 45 and under root of product is 18. ચાલો તો 18 નો સ્ક્વેર કરો તો કેટલો થાય? 324. મીન્સ આપણે આમ પણ લખી શકીએ ને કે by squaring both sides xy is equals to 18. Sorry, not 18, 18 square. 18 square is 324. ચાલો તો આપણે ચેક કરી લઈએ કે ટોટલ 15 થાય છે, 45 થાય છે, તો 15 plus 30 45. Yes, first option A satisfied. 32 plus 13, 35 plus 10 45. Yes, second also satisfied. C option, 36 plus 9 is also 45. 25 plus 20 also 45. So equation A check કરવાની જરૂર નથી. Now we have to find two numbers whose product is 324. Okay, option A, 15 into 30. Is it possible? Not possible. Okay, because 15 3 times is 45, 450. Now check option B. Option B is 32 multiplied by 13 equals to, chalo check kar liye, nathi te to पण 32 into 13 is equals to 416. So option B is also not possible, A not possible, B not possible. Now see option C, 36 into 9 is equals to 36 multiplied by 9 equals to 324. So option C is correct, 324. Chalo, second equation satisfied by option C. Okay, so option C is correct option. Now question number 10. The sides of equilateral triangle are shortened by 12 units, 13 units and 14 units respectively, and a right angle triangle is formed. The sides of equilateral triangle is, okay, so first આપણે draw કરીને જોઈએ કે what is called equilateral triangle. See, this is equilateral triangle. Okay, but the question is not given for equilateral triangle, it is given for right angle triangle. See, sides of equilateral triangle. In equilateral triangle, all three sides are equal. Like say it is equals to x, it is also x, and it is also x. બધાની સાઈડ કેવી હોય? સેમ. The sides of equilateral triangle are shortened by 12, 13 and 14 units respectively and right angle triangle form. Means અહીંયા આપણે shortened means minus. આપણે -12 ઓછું કરવું. અહીંયા કરીએ -13 and -14. 14. Right angle triangle is formed. Right angle triangle means આપણે હમણાં આગળ જોયું હતું કે ભાઈ પાયથાગોરસ થિયરમ, બરાબર? તો અહીંયા જો આપણે -12, 13, 14 કરીએ તો શું બને છે? It forms right angle triangle. Okay, so what is formula of right angle triangle? કે ભાઈ total of square of both the sides is equals to square of hypotenuse. Okay, if we say it is equals to A, B and C, then and imagine that it is a right angle triangle. Okay, so AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. શું કામ આવું કર્યું? Because -12, 13, 14 કરીએ એટલે right angle triangle બની જાય છે, જે આપણે ડ્રો નથી કર્યો. It is called equilateral triangle. Okay, that means x -12 whole square equals to x -14 whole square plus x -13 whole square. Okay, again we are going with option. First we are trying option A. X equals to 17. Put down x equals to 17. So 17 minus 12 is 5 square. 17 minus 14, what left? 3 left. 3 square. Plus 17 minus 13, 4 left. 4 square. Okay, so 5 square is 25. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. And 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. Okay, LHS equals to RHS. So option A is correct option. Now question number 11, it look like a question of economics. Okay, a distributor of apple juice has 5,000 bottle in store. Okay, 5,000 bottle in store means it is called supply. Total supply, total stock is equals to what? 5,000 bottles. A distributor of apple juice has 5,000 bottle in store that it wishes to distribute in a month. એક મહિનામાં એને distribute કરી દેવી છે. Okay, from experience it is known that demand D in number of bottles, demand is given by D in number of bottles, is given by D equals to minus 2,000 P square plus 2,000 P plus 17,000. Okay, this is called demand function. We have two functions, demand function and supply function. The price per bottle that will result zero inventory. That means એક બોટલની પ્રાઇસ કેટલી રાખવી જોઈએ? પ્રાઇસ મીન્સ P, કેટલી રાખવી જોઈએ કે જેથી ઇન્વેન્ટરી મીન્સ સ્ટોક ઝીરો થઈ જાય. તો ઝીરો સ્ટોક ક્યારે થાય? when demand equals to supply, the inventory is called zero inventory. Okay, so we can say that here demand equal to supply. ડિસ્ટ્રીબ્યુટર શું કરવાનું છે? કે ડિમાન્ડ સપ્લાય બંને ઇક્વલ કરવાના છે. therefore minus 2,000 P square minus 2,000 P square equals to, wait, okay, minus 2,000 P square plus 2,000 P plus 17,000 equals to 5,000. Okay, first of all we are taking 1000 common 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 બંને સાઈડથી 1000 common લઈએ એટલે 1000 should be cancelled, so we have left minus 2p square plus 2p plus 17 is equals to 5. Okay, so moving 17 to other side, we will get minus 2p square plus 2p equals to minus 12. Okay, 17 minus 5 equals to 12. Taking 2 common from both sides, minus p square plus p is equals to minus 6. Okay, આપણું ઇક્વેશન છે, આને પ્રોપર ફોર્મમાં તમને એમ લાગે કે નહીં મજા આવે તો આ રીતે લખીએ. મૂવિંગ p square and p to other side, p square becomes plus, p becomes minus and 6 becomes plus. 6 ને પહેલી સાઈડ લઈ જાઓ એટલે પ્લસ થઈ જાય. ઓકે, તો આપણે સોલ્વ કરવું છે ને નહીં, ડાયરેક્ટ ઓપ્શન પુટ કરીએ. ઓપ્શન એ p square p square, option A, p square equal to 3 square, 9 minus 3 equals to 6. ચાલો આન્સર આવી પણ ગયો. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Option A satisfy our equation. અહીંયા પણ તમે ચેક કરી શકો, 25 minus 5 equal to 20, not possible. 2 square 4, 4 minus 2 equal to 2, not possible. None of this તો હોય જ નહીં, એટલે ક્યારેક હોય પણ ખરું, બટ આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં નથી. Okay, now last question of this exercise. The sum of two irrational numbers multiplied by the larger one is 70 and their difference is multiplied by smaller one is 12. Two numbers are, okay, let us assume that larger number equal to x, larger equals to x and smaller is equals to y. Okay, again read first sentence. The sum of two irrational numbers, we are taking x and y are two irrational numbers. The sum of two irrational numbers means x plus y multiplied by larger one is 70. Means if we multiply total of these two numbers by larger number means x, we will get 70. We will get 70. Is it okay? X into x plus y equal to 70. See again, sum of two irrational numbers, x plus y multiplied by larger one, x is 70. Okay, so we can write x square plus xy is equals to 70. Say this is equation number 1. Okay, now second thing, their difference means what? Larger minus smaller joy, always x minus y. The difference is multiplied by smaller number is y, is multiplied by smaller is 12. Okay, difference means x minus y multiplied by smaller means y is 12. So we can write here xy minus y square is equals to 12. We can also write that minus y square plus xy is equals to 12. This is our second equation. Okay, now we have to solve both the equations using elimination method. So direct answer તો નથી જ મળતો તો પણ, so first equation is x square plus xy equals to 70. Second, minus y square plus xy is equals to 12. Okay, for solution just changing the sign of second equation, minus becomes plus, this is minus, this is minus, xy should be cancelled. X square plus y square is equals to 70 minus 12, 70 minus 12 is 58. So it is our equation, say it is star equation. Okay, now sum of square of our options gives us 58 is correct option. તો આપણા જે ઓપ્શન છે એનો સ્ક્વેર કરવાનો અને એનો ટોટલ 58 આવે, એ ઓપ્શન કરેક્ટ થશે. ચાલો તો આપણે ચેક કરીએ ઓપ્શન્સ. ઓપ્શન A first. Option A is given by 3 root 2 હું ડાયરેક્ટ લખું છું x square plus y square means 3 root 2 square plus 2 root 3 square. It is equals to जो direct root 2 square 2 2 into 3 square 9. Okay, ચાલો એક સોલ્વ કરી નાખીએ આપણે 9 into 2 plus 2 square 4 root 3 square is 3. So 18 plus 12 is equals to 18 plus 12 is equals to 30. It does not equals to 58, so option A is not possible. Okay, now we have to try another option. We are trying option B. Option B, 5 root 2 square plus 3 root 5 square equal to, okay, 5 square is 25 into root 2 square 2 plus 3 square is 9 and root 5 square is 5. But it does not equal to 58. We don't have to calculate this because 25 2s are 50 and 9 4s are 45. It is more than 58. So B option is also not possible. Now we have to try one more option. Option C. Option C is given by 2 root 2. Sorry. 2 root 2 square plus 5 root 2 square equals to 2 square 4 root 2 square 2 plus 5 square 25 and root 2 square 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 25 2 times 50. Sorry, not into, plus 50. It is equals to 58. So option C satisfy our equation. So option C is correct option. Two irrational numbers are respectively 2 root 2 and 5 root 2.